We start with the source. Every Monthong Durian is scanned using near-infrared technology to measure Brix levels and dry matter content.
If the sugar-to-moisture ratio isn't perfect, it doesn't enter the Apex facility. We only process fruit at the peak of its biological maturity.
Precision extraction. Our robotic system removes the flesh with zero bruising, preserving the delicate fibrous structure of the Monthong variety.
Purity is paramount. We use ionized air to ensure the fruit is 100% clean before entering the cryo stage.
By freezing the fruit at extreme speed, we create microscopic ice crystals that do not rupture the cell walls.
Now, we enter the vacuum chamber. We drop the pressure to below 100 MPa, creating a near-space environment.
Sublimation. Under this extreme vacuum, the ice inside the durian skips the liquid phase and turns directly into vapor. This preserves the fruit's shape perfectly.
During the 24-hour primary drying, we remove 95% of the water content while keeping the heat-sensitive enzymes intact.
We monitor the vapor flow in real time. Precision heat is applied at the molecular level to drive off the remaining moisture.
The final touch. We extract the bound water to achieve a final moisture content of less than 3%.
The golden nebula is born. A crisp, crunchy structure that retains 100% of the original aroma and nutrients.
Listen to that snap. That is the sound of perfect lyophilization. The smell is intense, concentrated, and undeniably Monthong. We verify the aromatic profile using electronic noses.
Zero browning. Our cold process ensures the vibrant Monthong gold color is locked in forever.
We shape the experience. Every cube is cut with micron precision for the luxury snacking market.
Packaging is critical. Freeze-dried fruit is hygroscopic. It wants to suck moisture back from the air.
We replace all oxygen with nitrogen to prevent the natural oils in the durian from turning rancid.
Double layer protection. We guarantee freshness for up to 24 months without a single preservative.
One micro leak can ruin the batch. Our AI vision never misses a flaw.
Every bag is a documented scientific success. Unlike traditional heat drying, our process keeps the fruit's biological value alive.
Controlled storage at 15% humidity to ensure the product remains at peak crunchiness.
Look at the honeycomb structure. This is what allows it to dissolve instantly on your tongue.
We capture the fruit's pure water and recycle it for our facility's cleaning systems.
Grade A hygiene for a Grade A product.
Our freeze dryers use heat recovery loops to minimize our carbon footprint.
Powered by the sun, engineered for the future.
Versatility for the culinary world, from snacks to Michelin-starred desserts.
10.00 grams, perfect, perfect.
Apex Crunch, the king of fruits, preserved for eternity.
The sound of precision manufacturing.
From the tropical orchards of Asia to the luxury markets of luxury London and New York. Nature's armor,
refined by Apex technology. We work around the clock to capture the harvest at its peak.
Pure, natural, unaltered.
We optimize every second of the 48-hour drying cycle. Apex Crunch, the future of fruit. Apex Food, perfection in every molecule.